Have I prepared breakfast? Yes, I have. Have I prepared lunch? No, I haven't yet. Hello everyone, this is Sheila and you are welcome back to my channel. If you are a homemaker and mother like me and you want to improve your speaking English and you don't have any partner with whom you can practice, then don't worry. You can practice alone at home. How you can practice? While doing household chores, ask to yourself, speak to yourself, and my suggestion would be don't try everything all together. Pick one basic concept at a time and take it very seriously. Recently, I have read The Poor Charlie's Almanac. In that book, it's written that there is an old two-part rule that works incredibly in science, technology, and elsewhere. Pick one basic concept at a time and take it very seriously. So, I have picked up the present perfect tense for my practice alone at home, and it has been 1 week I have been practicing it. First, I practiced in what situations we can use the present perfect tense. So, while doing my household chores, I have been practicing it. Now, from today onwards, I will practice how to answer in a short form. There are questions that's answer would be either yes or no. Have you prepared breakfast? No, I haven't. Have you prepared lunch? Yes, I have. For that questions, if we say yes, I prepared, yes, I have prepared, both are wrong way. If we say yes, I prepared, that would be in simple past, and if we say yes, I have prepared, then there is no need to say full sentence. If we say yes, I have, that is a short form and that will make you more fluent because less word, less energy, less time, and it will be quick. So if we learn short form and if we learn contracted form, that will make us fluent. Yes, there is another thing which that I have noted down for my practice, that when we say in the present perfect tense, how do we say? I have packed my son's tiffin. So if we want to say in a contracted form, then it would be I packed my son's tiffin box. So in what situations we use the present perfect tense? I have been practicing that while doing my household chores, like I have prepared tea, I have packed my son's tiffin, and along with that, I was also recalling in what situations we use the present perfect tense. In that way, I have been practicing. Now, what I will do, I would ask questions every time I would finish the work, and I would ask question to myself, have I prepared breakfast? Yes, I have. Have I prepared lunch? No, I haven't yet. This is the practice, and for contracted form, I've prepared breakfast. Instead, I have prepared breakfast. So every day I try to pick up one basic concept and I try to practice till I become comfortable with that concept. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Till then, keep it simple, practice every day and enjoy your speaking practice.